Hey guys, hope you're doing well. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to draw Astronaut Jimmy from Stumble Guys, aka Mr. Beast. What an awesome character, what a cool YouTuber. Are you ready? Hope you can join me and have some fun. Let's draw. Let's start Astronaut Jimmy with the top of his head. So near the top of your page, we're going to draw a curved line like so for his head. This is like the astronaut helmet. And we've got the side of his head. This is this part. Now there's an ever so slightly side that you see there, so really thin, what we call them the lips. Now his helmet can come back down and around, so follow this down. This is the bottom of his helmet, bring it back and around, and then stop about here. Now line this up. We have to draw the inside of his helmet now. So we've got this part that comes down, same height as that. We've got, I'm not sure what this is. I'm not sure whether it's money or what. Looks a bit like money to me. Splashing the cash around. Now we've got the inner part of his helmet. So here we come in a little bit, a line in there, and then bring this line so it meets this point just there. So bringing this around like this. Now we're bringing this line around to there, and this line comes down into here. And then we've got what looks like more money. 1, 2, 3 bits of money there. Now bring this part of his helmet across and around like this, so it joins up to there. Now we've got his hair, so his hair comes like this. And then we've got the side of his head coming down here. Looks like he's got a bit more of a money patch there. Now let's draw his face. So he's got one eye here. Other eye there. And he's got the mustache. Good timing for Movember. And then a little bit of a patch there. Now let's draw the astronaut Jimmy's front patch. Comes around like this. This is like a blue part. And his suit comes down there. Let's bring this one out. Let's bring this one down to the similar sort of size. Now this is the front part of him. He's got his belt which comes around directly underneath. Here he's got this belt, so a rectangle, another line there, and he's got this cool lightning bolt that comes down like this. This is his belt that keeps going into there, comes around, bring that around. Now let's bring his wristbands in, so he's got a wristband here. And then this is his hand there. Over this side we've got to have a wristband, so bring a wristband into about there. Now you see his thumb like that. Now bring his arm up. Now he's got this part of his arm. A couple of lines there, and then he's got some cool patterns. So pink stripe there, white stripe, and then like a nice blue stripe there. Got to do the same on the other side, so pink stripe, white stripe, blue stripe, grey wristband. Alright, let's draw his leg. This is the top part of his leg that comes around like that. This is his crutch area, bring that around to there. This leg sort of comes more side on like that. And he's got
a blue patch there, and then he's got his moon boot. Bring this around, up and around like this. There's one of his boots. I'm going to put a sole on that shoe, or that boot. Now that was the white part, this is the blue part here. This is more front on, this is this part of the boot. And he's got sort of like a flared out bit. And then you see the front of his boot like this. The sole. Now let's draw the logo. Mr. Beast, looks like a postcard. Anyway, we'll pop that on there like this. Make it look 3D. Then we've got 3 stripes here. 1, 2, 3 stripes. I'm going to get a thinner pen for this one. Bit of the lightning bolt. Trying my best to get the Beast logo. It's quite small, so just try your best. Don't forget the backpack. All the breathing tanks out the back there. And I'm just going to go around him a little bit thicker just to make him look cooler.
Hey, thanks for watching, and remember to stay creative. See you in the next one.